All right, I'm looking at some drum brakes here. I'm going to answer the question on how do you know when to stop adjusting the adjuster inside of the drum brakes. And the answer is you're going to spin it down and let it click so that it expands. You're going to expand it so much to the point that when you try to put the drum on, it is going to be tough to put on because it's going to be sliding against these shoes. So I just tightened it up as much as I could. I'm going to try to put the drum on. And you can see at this point, it is just about a perfect fit. The shoes are contacting the drum and I can't slide it on fully. So that's a good sign. Let me get this off. So then what that means that I need to do is I need to lift this pin up and back that up by maybe a turn. So let me do that now. So with my needle nose pliers, I'm going to lift this adjuster striker up. And then with the flathead, I'm going to spin this. I'm going to go about half or a full rotation. Drop that back down. I'm going to try to put the drum back on. So now at this point, I got it on. But when I turn it, I feel a lot of resistance. So I'm still a little bit too wide. I'm going to go ahead and do another half of a rotation back off. Okay, just got another half of a rotation, putting the drum back on. Okay, and now I feel a lot less resistance. Notice I can spin it with one hand now. There's a little bit of drag left, but that's good. You want to be just about at this point. I feel very little resistance, so this is exactly where I want it to be. Hope that was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.